Namaste, welcome to homehashtaglife. Idea of this video came from you guys. Seema from our Instagram family suggested this topic. So thank you Seema. As we all are at home right now and we are spending a lot of time in our living room. So why not to redecorate it, to find and feel the happiness in little things. We need to remember that we don't need a lot of decor stuff or new decor items to give a new look to our home. So in this video, I will share how we can redecorate our home by following simple decor rules with existing decor articles. So let's get started. First, we will change the look and redecorate this TV cabinet. Let me take this coffee table books to the TV cabinet. As a natural element, nowadays we use a lot of plants to decorate our home, and that is great. Books are also a great element to decorate any space. It is a neutral prop to connect your home decor with style and elegance. It creates layers, also a purpose to the space. Stack books and magazine and place any decor object or plant to make it look more cohesive. I will place this snake plant on top of these books. It will create a height and it will help to complete the look. Be creative and use any aesthetically pleasing plate or any out of the box element as a drip tray to enhance the look in your living room rather than using that same old plastic tray as a drip tray. As I have used this candle holder from IKEA as a drip tray to catch excess water, it acts as a nice decor element, also solves the purpose. A quick reminder, if you enjoy watching our videos, then don't forget to subscribe to homehashtaglife and like the video. I'm going to remove all these decors and shop other decors from different parts of our home to redecorate the space. So all removed and clean for the next step. Now I'm going to bring out this lady with vase from this lower cabinet and keep it on the right side of the TV cabinet. I'm really missing fresh flowers during this lockdown. Now I'm going to try and find if I have any faux flower in our home decor storage cabinet. On a side note, if you are wondering why I have so many decor items, then let me clear the air. As a content creator, I need props to create content. They are like cooking ingredients or cooking props for me if I am supposed to run a cooking channel. Now let's resume with our video. You can see here I have found a bunch of yellow flowers in my stash. Can you tell me which flowers are these? Please let me know in the comment section below. I will add them in this vase. I think they are looking beautiful here without overwhelming our decor theme. This type of vase with character has dual purpose. We can use them just to display as a simple decor artifact, or it can be used as flower vase too.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
Let's swap and shuffle few decors here in this lower cabinet. As I have stacked books on the left side of the cabinet, now I'm thinking I will shift these magazines from left to right side of the cabinet and going to place them at the bottom. It will balance the overall look.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know
going to bring that 3 ceramic drawer set from the top of this cupboard to place it in the lower cabinet. As the height of the shelf is less, so I kept such decors which are wide but less in height to balance the look. Never forget to assess how much time you can spare in a day to clean your decor items. We should not go overboard if we cannot clean decors frequently, because it's not only the beautiful decors which make our home look pleasing, but also a neat and clean space draw all the attention and let us have a calm mind to enjoy the decorated space. Now I guess I'm done with redecorating this TV cabinet. Let's take a before look, and here's the after.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes,
I'm going to redecorate this side table as well in our living room. First, I will keep this diffuser at the bottom of the table. I'm also going to bring that IKEA plant from our console table. Name of the plant is Whipping Fig. It is actually a faux plant but looks very real. I'm going to place this Buddha statue on the side table which earlier I have kept on the TV unit. I feel that some elevation is needed here to display the brass Buddha artifact. Let's see if I can find something at home. We don't need a lot of expensive decor articles to make our home look beautiful. You know, beauty is hidden within our mind. So we only need a radiant heart to see how our home radiates beauty just by decorating with simple decorative items. A nicely decorated space plays important role to control cortisol. In short, to reduce stress and anxiety, as they say, a well-decorated space brings wellness in our life. In this video, I wish to tell you about vignette decoration. In interior design, vignette is a small grouping of objects that create a pleasing focal point and tells a story. You will need 3 or 5 or 7 objects to decorate, or even more. It depends upon your choice of decor style. I love to decorate with 3 objects because it never overwhelms our small space. Summer is the time when I love to add a lot of yellow here and there. With our grey sofa, this pop of colors are making my heart happy and cheerful. So pay attention to the season to change the decor mood in your home. Please accept my apologies for not maintaining the consistency on YouTube, though I am trying to stay connected with you all through our Instagram and Facebook page. Main focus of this video is to find happiness in what we already have in our home, to find happiness in little things, because it is the little things which make big difference. Such as our little effort to stay at home, not to go outside, to save our community, to save ourselves. Give this video a big thumbs up if you think it's bring joy during this tough time. Subscribe to homehashtaglife for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, be responsible, stay safe. Bye-bye.
life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.